said Sam copy. Units on the 242 advising he's still in the area, drives a dark-colored Chevy sedan, unknown model. She said his shop doesn't have a name. It's a garage that he stays in. And she saw a vehicle backed up to the shop garage door.
Will be clear in the house. Nobody's there.
Yeah.
Okay, 830 for about out. It's a big unmarked shop out there. Valley, hold there for a second. You got me. Fire car. If you can see terrain, but there's like a pretty big hill. Yes, he's on the other side of that.
It's gonna be probably the third path just south of that.
Jack Clement still, we should have eyes on probably standby.
Engine 32, Medic 32, Medical 8, District Urge. 5438, Southbound Port, Engine 32, Medic 32, Operations A2. Truck 35, Public Assistance, District 35, 444, Crystal Glen Place, Truck 35, Operations A2.